ETQ generator, model number DG7250LE. You can see it's just got 42 hours on the hour meter. It's in excellent condition. Mostly it's been covered up riding on our trailer behind our RV. I'm going to do a cold start demonstration. That's the compression release, and I'll show you how to start that in a minute, but I'll do a quick walk around real quick, and I'll start it with both the battery and pull start it, but I'll pull start it first. Great shape. We just don't need a generator this large, and where it's a diesel, it is not really conducive to use in campgrounds or wherever we may be due to the noise. It's about the same noise level as gas generators the same size that aren't like the super quiet Hondas or something like that, but it works great. It's got 20 amp 220 or 25 amp 120 outlets, and a circuit breaker and a voltage gauge that you can see working when it's being used. And then this is a you push that with the key in the on position, and it is a intake air heater, but it starts really well in cold weather. We've started it down around 10 degrees, and I pull started it just to see how it would work, and it worked fine. But to start it, you just flip this lever to run, turn the key on, and then I'll show you the rest while my wife is filming. Okay, this is the exhaust pipe. The engine is cold, so I'm pull starting it with it cold. I flip the fuel lever to run, and then turn the key to the on position, and then to full start it, you pull the rope until you hit compression. You push down on the compression release, and then pull it hard. Got a lot of compression. You can see that with it bouncing so hard when it stops. Now for the electric start, you can see when I turn this off, it automatically kicks the run lever over to the stop. It's got a solenoid on it. So to start it, you don't have to use the compression release if it's a warmer day. If it's really cold, you'll want to pull the rope to get it to compression, push that down, and then use the starter. But today it should start just fine without pulling the thing. And if you want to use the intake air heater, you can push this and hold it in for 10 or 20 seconds. But we should be able to. So since we're in a campground, I don't really want to run it any longer than that due to the noise, but you can hear how loud it is. This would be great for a home backup generator due to the higher power. It'd be good for a construction site or whatever, just because of the longevity of the engines, with it being a diesel and everything. Just 42 hours on it right now.